When you hear the words clogged arteries, it can feel frightening. As we get older, it is completely natural to worry about heart health, blood pressure, and keeping our blood vessels clear. But often the advice we are given feels impossible to follow. You are told to cook elaborate meals with strange ingredients when all you really want is something simple, comforting, and easy. The good news is that protecting your heart and helping to keep your arteries clean does not require standing over a hot stove for an hour. Today, I am sharing 15 incredibly easy, comforting meals that require practically zero cooking. They are built specifically to help sweep away bad cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and open up your blood vessels. Let us begin. Our first meal is the Beets and Cottage Cheese Soft Bowl. Beets are one of the most powerful foods on earth for your blood vessels. They contain natural dietary nitrates. When you eat them, your body turns those nitrates into nitric oxide, which acts like a relaxant for your blood vessels. It helps them open up and widen, which can immediately help improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. But boiling and peeling hard beets is entirely too much work. Instead, simply buy a can or jar of soft, plain diced beets. Take 1/2 cup of these soft beets and place them in a bowl. Add 1/2 cup of low-fat cottage cheese. The cottage cheese provides a tremendous amount of soft, easy-to-chew protein that will keep you feeling full for hours. Drizzle a tiny bit of extra virgin olive oil over the top and add a pinch of black pepper. The olive oil brings heart-healthy fats that protect the lining of your arteries. It is a vibrant, beautiful meal that takes 30 seconds to put together, but it goes to work for your heart immediately. Moving to something deeply comforting, we have the spinach and salmon broth bowl. Think of this as a warm hug for your cardiovascular system. Start by heating 1 cup of low-sodium chicken or vegetable broth in the microwave or on the stove until it is steaming hot. Take a large handful of frozen chopped spinach and drop it right into the hot broth. You do not need to cook it separately. The heat of the broth will melt and soften it instantly. Spinach is another massive source of those vessel-opening nitrates. Now, take a 5-ounce can of boneless, skinless salmon, drain it gently, and flake it into the warm broth. Canned salmon is an absolute treasure for seniors. It is packed with omega-3 fatty acids. If your arteries were pipes, omega-3s are the soothing coating that helps reduce inflammation and prevents plaque from building up. This meal gives you hydration, warmth, and 2 of the best foods for arterial health in one simple bowl. If you want a savory, warm breakfast without turning on a frying pan, the sweet potato and spinach soft cup is perfect. Take a microwave-safe coffee mug and crack 2 eggs or pour in 1/2 cup of liquid egg whites. Add a spoonful of mashed sweet potato. You can use canned sweet potato or a potato you microwaved the night before. Add a small handful of frozen spinach. Stir it all together with a fork and microwave it for about 90 seconds, or until the eggs are fluffy and set. The eggs give you strong protein to start your day. The spinach, as we know, helps open the blood vessels. But the secret weapon here is the sweet potato. It is loaded with potassium, a mineral that helps your body flush out excess sodium, which is critical for lowering blood pressure and keeping your arteries from becoming stiff. You get a hot, fresh meal with 0 pans to wash. Next is a classic that we are upgrading for heart health, the apple, cinnamon, and walnut soft oats. When we talk about cleaning the arteries, we have to talk about soluble fiber. Think of soluble fiber as a soft sponge that travels through your digestive system. It literally soaks up bad cholesterol and carries it out of your body before it ever has the chance to enter your bloodstream and stick to your artery walls. Oats are one of the best sources of this sweeping fiber. Place 1/2 cup of quick oats in a bowl and stir in warm water or warm milk. Instead of sugar, stir in 1/2 cup of unsweetened applesauce. Apples add even more of that cholesterol-sweeping fiber. Sprinkle a heavy shake of cinnamon over the top. Cinnamon is brilliant because it helps regulate your blood sugar and reduces oxidative stress in the blood vessels. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of crushed walnuts for a dose of heart-healing omega-3 fats. It is sweet, soft, and acts like a broom for your cholesterol. For a wonderful, no-cook lunch, try the avocado and white bean mash. Butter and heavy animal fats contain saturated fat, which is the exact type of fat that can clog arteries over time. We want to replace those hard fats with soft, protective plant fats. Take 1/2 cup of canned cannellini beans or any white bean. Rinse them under cool water to remove the salt. Place them in a bowl with half of a ripe avocado. Use a fork to mash them together until they form a thick, creamy spread. Squeeze a little fresh lemon or lime juice over the top and add black pepper. The beans are packed with that cholesterol-sweeping fiber, while the avocado is loaded with monounsaturated fats. These specific fats actually help raise your good cholesterol while pushing down the bad cholesterol. You can eat this creamy mash right off the spoon or spread it thickly over a piece of soft whole wheat bread. It requires no cooking at all, but it is a powerhouse for your heart. When you want something warm and deeply savory, the turmeric, chickpea, and tomato bowl is a wonderful choice. This meal is all about reducing the rust in your arteries. Plaque builds up faster when the blood vessels are inflamed. Turmeric is a bright yellow spice that happens to be one of the strongest natural anti-inflammatory foods in the world. Take 1/2 cup of canned chickpeas, rinse them, and put them in a bowl with 1/2 cup of canned crushed tomatoes. Stir in 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Here is a very important tip. Always add a pinch of black pepper when you use turmeric. The black pepper helps your body actually absorb the healing compounds. Warm this mixture in the microwave. The chickpeas act as the fiber sweepers pulling out cholesterol. The tomatoes provide moisture and vitamins, and the turmeric works to soothe the lining of your blood vessels. It is a warm, fragrant meal that requires zero effort. Next is a meal that uses the ultimate heart health pantry staple, the sardine and lentil lemon bowl. Sardines might just be the healthiest fish in the ocean for older adults. They are incredibly rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which, as we know, soothe the arteries and lower dangerous triglycerides in the blood. Because they are small fish, they also do not carry the heavy metals that larger fish do. Take a can of boneless, skinless sardines packed in olive oil or water and place them in a bowl. Add 1/2 cup of canned lentils that have been rinsed. Lentils are the perfect partner because they bring a massive amount of soft, easy-to-digest fiber to help sweep away cholesterol. Squeeze a generous amount of fresh lemon juice over the top to brighten the flavor. This meal requires opening 2 cans, but it provides the kind of cardiovascular nutrition that cardiologists beg their patients to eat. It is soft, filling, and deeply healing. If you have a sweet tooth, you will love the cocoa, chia, and banana soft yogurt. We often think of chocolate as a guilty pleasure, but unsweetened cocoa powder is actually a superfood for your heart. It is rich in compounds called flavonols, which have been shown to help lower blood pressure and improve the flexibility of your blood vessels so blood can flow easily. Take 1 cup of plain low-fat Greek yogurt. Stir in 1 full tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder. Add 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. Chia seeds are tiny, but they are packed with plant-based omega-3 fats and soluble fiber. Finally, mash half of a very ripe banana into the bowl for natural sweetness and extra potassium. Stir it all together until it looks like chocolate pudding. The yogurt gives you protein, the cocoa helps your blood vessels stretch, and the chia seeds help pull out cholesterol. It feels like dessert, but it is a perfect, artery-friendly meal. Moving to a supper idea, let us look at the olive oil smashed potatoes and flaked salmon. We all love mashed potatoes with butter, but as we discussed, heavy butter can contribute to artery-clogging plaque. This meal gives you that exact same comfort, but changes the fat to protect your heart. Take 1 cup of canned diced potatoes. Canned potatoes are wonderful because they are already peeled, fully cooked, and very soft. Warm them in the microwave, then mash them gently with a fork. Instead of butter, drizzle 1 tablespoon of rich extra virgin olive oil over the warm potatoes. The oil will melt into the potatoes, making them incredibly creamy, while delivering heart-protecting monounsaturated fats. Top the potatoes with 3 ounces of canned pink salmon for that crucial omega-3 boost. You get the comfort of a meat and potato dinner, but every single ingredient is actively working to keep your arteries clear and flexible. For a taste of the Mediterranean diet, assemble a quick tuna and artichoke heart bowl. The Mediterranean way of eating is widely considered the absolute best approach for preventing heart disease. This bowl captures that without any cooking. Take a 5-ounce can of tuna, packed in water, drain it, and place it in a bowl. Now, open a jar of marinated artichoke hearts. Artichoke hearts are incredibly soft, and they are one of the highest fiber vegetables you can eat, making them excellent for sweeping cholesterol out of the digestive tract. Roughly chop 2 or 3 soft artichoke hearts and add them to the tuna. Add 1/2 cup of canned white beans for even more fiber, and drizzle a tiny bit of olive oil over the top. This meal is incredibly high in protein, massive in sweeping fiber, and provides the healthy fats your heart relies on. It tastes like a summer afternoon and requires zero time at the stove. When you want something that tastes like a traditional Sunday dinner, make the golden chicken and garlic soft mash. Garlic is a legendary food for heart health. Studies suggest that eating garlic regularly can help lower blood pressure and may even help slow down the hardening of the arteries. But peeling and chopping raw garlic is difficult with stiff hands. For this meal, start with 3 ounces of finely shredded rotisserie chicken. Now, take 1 cup of frozen cauliflower florets and microwave them until they are completely mushy and soft. Mash the cauliflower with a fork. To get the heart benefits of garlic without the chopping, stir in 1/2 teaspoon of high-quality garlic powder and a drizzle of olive oil. Mix the shredded chicken right into the creamy garlic mash. It feels and tastes very similar to chicken and mashed potatoes, but the cauliflower adds more fiber, the olive oil adds good fats, and the garlic powder works quietly to help keep your blood vessels relaxed. If you want a meal that feels like a baked dessert but acts like a protector for your heart, try the soft baked berry and pecan crumble. Dark berries like blueberries, blackberries, and strawberries contain powerful antioxidants called anthocyanins. These compounds act like a shield, protecting the inner lining of your blood vessels from damage and oxidative stress. Take 1 full cup of frozen mixed berries and place them in a microwave-safe bowl. Microwave them for about 2 minutes. The berries will soften, release their juices, and become warm and jammy. Top the warm berries with 2 tablespoons of rolled oats and 1 tablespoon of crushed pecans. The oats bring the cholesterol-sweeping fiber, and the pecans bring healthy fats. Mix it lightly so the oats soak up the warm berry juice. It is warm, sweet, incredibly soft, and every bite helps protect the walls of your arteries from damage. On days when you want something warm and soothing, the garlic, tomato, and white bean soup is a beautiful choice. We talked about how good raw tomatoes are, but cooked tomatoes are even better for your heart. When you heat tomatoes, they release massive amounts of an antioxidant called lycopene. Lycopene has been directly linked to a lower risk of heart disease. Take 1 cup of canned crushed tomatoes and pour it into a bowl or small pot. Add 1/2 cup of rinsed canned white beans. Add a dash of garlic powder and warm it until steaming. Just before eating, drizzle 1/2 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil over the surface of the soup. The healthy fat in the olive oil actually helps your body absorb the lycopene from the cooked tomatoes. The soup is entirely smooth except for the soft beans, which add that crucial cholesterol-pulling fiber. It is deeply hydrating, very easy to swallow, and incredibly protective for your cardiovascular system. For a heartier option on a cold evening, assemble a heart-healthy chicken and barley stew. We already know that oats are great for lowering cholesterol, but barley contains the exact same type of sweeping fiber. It is called beta-glucan, and it is a superstar at pulling bad cholesterol out of your body. Take 1 cup of warm, low-sodium chicken broth. Add 3 ounces of shredded cooked chicken. Add 1/2 cup of cooked barley. You can buy pre-cooked barley or boil a small batch at the beginning of the week. Add a handful of frozen carrots. Warm everything together in the microwave. The broth provides comforting hydration. The chicken gives you the lean protein your muscles need to stay strong, and the barley does the heavy lifting of sweeping out your arteries. It tastes like an old-fashioned country stew, but it requires almost no energy to prepare. Our final meal is the black bean and salsa savory pudding. The name sounds unusual, but the texture is incredibly comforting, especially for seniors who have trouble chewing or who suffer from dry mouth. Black beans are absolute fiber powerhouses, making them one of the best foods for pulling cholesterol out of your system. Take 1/2 cup of canned black beans and rinse them well. Place them in a bowl with 3 tablespoons of mild, low-sodium salsa. Use a fork to mash the beans heavily into the salsa until it forms a thick, savory paste. You can even use a small blender if you want it completely smooth. The tomatoes and onions in the salsa provide heart-protecting antioxidants, while the beans provide the structural fiber. Warm it gently. You can eat it with a spoon or scoop it up with soft tortillas. It is a wonderfully simple, highly flavorful meal that is deeply nourishing and requires zero cooking skills. Taking care of your heart and your arteries does not mean you have to eat bland food or spend hours cooking complicated recipes. Your body responds beautifully to simple, whole ingredients that are easy to digest. By adding more of these vessel-opening nitrates, soothing omega-3s, and sweeping soluble fibers into your day, you are giving your heart exactly what it needs to thrive. Try just one of these zero cooking meals this week. Let me know in the comments below which of these 15 meals you are going to try first. Thank you for spending time with me today. Please subscribe to the channel, take good care of yourself, and I will see you in the next video.